and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a grocery haul today. I just did one about a week ago, but I never posted it. So I'm gonna do one for this week. So we did a minor grocery haul because we actually have a box that's coming in on Thursday from Every Plate. So we have T-Mobile, and T-Mobile Tuesdays did this offer where you can get a full week of meals, so 5 meals for 2 people for $30, and we thought that was pretty good, and we wanted to try out this subscription service. So try out Every Plate and show you guys how it is and how I like it. But I also wanted to show you guys our groceries for the week. So we did go back to ALDI this week because we ended up getting the Instacart Express. They had a deal where it's $99 for the year, but then they gave you $50 back for groceries. So it ended up being $50 for the entire year. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it quite often, not just for the home, but also for my business, which is cheese boards. I'm going to try to do most of my shopping just all through Instacart, just so I don't have to worry about doing it in store. Because I'm paranoid. So the bread is something that we like getting at Aldi because it's pretty much the same as the, what's that brand, that bread brand? I don't know, but there's this bread brand that's exactly the same. So this is what we like getting. Ryan gets the potato bread for his sandwiches. Another thing that we like getting there is the eggs. They're very economical. They're $1.65 for 12. So I got these. They're sweet and salty seaweed snacks. I'm trying to stay away from like crackers, even though I literally have wheat thins here. But I'm trying to stay away from crackers and do more healthy stuff. So I thought I would like these. I used to not like these, but then I tried them recently and I really ended up liking them. So they're good. I got a bunch of veggies. So I got poblano chilies. We got 2 packs. And also I got bell peppers. So these are my favorite for breakfast. I usually do breakfast. Actually, I haven't been doing these, but in the beginning when I was losing a lot of weight or eating healthier, I was eating these with eggs and spinach and just do like a little wrap, and they were really filling and really good. So I like these. I got 3 bananas just in case I want a protein shake. I'll do these. I got spreadable Irish butter because we just have the butter sticks, and when we want to spread it on toast, it's kind of hard. So we got the spreadable kind. And I got these thicker tortillas because I'm making enchiladas. Not enchiladas. Enchiladas. And I want to make them with these. I saw a recipe where you also put in some poblano peppers, so I'm excited to do that. All right, I got ground turkey because I want to make a few portions for my lunches this week, just so I don't have to worry about it. Like today I had chicken nuggets and a salad, and it wasn't that great. I was like, whatever for my lunch. So I want to make sure I use the zucchinis that I have in the fridge as well. So I'm going to do that. And today I'm actually going to cook 3 of these breasts so I can make the enchiladas. So I'm going to cook these today. I'm probably going to use my Instapot, which I haven't used in a really... Should I use Instapot? What time is it? 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm going to have to use Instapot because I need to boil these. So those will be ready pretty quickly in the Instapot. Alright, my last thing here is all cheese. Except for this, I got some more hand sanitizer. Ryan went back to work this week, so I want to make sure that he has some in his car because he was running low, so I'm putting that back in his car. I'm pretty much a ton of cheese. So I got this 2-pound bag of cheese. I asked for the 16 ounce and they gave me the 32, which I'm not mad about because I love shredded cheese and I was kind of running out. And then I got Oaxaca cheese because this one is a little creamier when you melt it, so I'm going to use this for the enchiladas. Ryan likes this cheese, so I got the sharp cheddar. And last but not least, we got the queso fresco Pueblo Lindo. So I asked for cacique, but I guess I didn't have it, so this will do. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the haul. If you guys like Aldi, let me know what I should try. I like to try different things. So recommend whatever you guys think. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. I want to know what you guys want to see. If you guys like food hauls, if you guys like vlogs instead. I'm still deciding if I want to vlog weekly. I missed this first week, but I don't know. Maybe I'll vlog the rest of this week and see how it goes. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.